This is Crazy Cheap Chick and my dishwasher. And today I'm going to show you how to clean the filter in your dishwasher. You may not have even known this filter existed, but it needs cleaned on a regular basis. And if your dishes aren't getting clean, this may be why. So let me show you how to do it. If you want things to last a long time, you have to maintain them. Now this dishwasher is about 6 years old. This is going to be so gross. This is like a little... You have to clean it out. So when was the last time you cleaned out the filter in your dishwasher? It's been about 2 weeks for me. I try to do it every week, but I forget. And this is just after a couple of weeks. So if your dishes aren't getting clean, when was the last time you cleaned the filter in your dishwasher? It's gross. So now I've cleaned that out and I'm gonna put it back in the dishwasher. Looks a little better. Now, do all dishwashers have this?
No, not all, but most newer ones do.
And are they always in the bottom or are they in different places?
No, they're always in the bottom.
They're always in the bottom of the dishwasher?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more frugal tips.